Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, I was recording this video rating this fidget toy. I forgot to show you guys the water bottle fidget toys. Very easy to make. I'm gonna start off with the green one first. As you can see, this is really fun to play with. It's really fun to crunch. On my TikTok, I have a video that you can make this. But anyways, next one is, let me see, the next color is, orange or red. I don't know what color this is. What color is this? Oh, it's orange. Okay. The special ingredient is tissue paper. It's like a water timer. If you don't know that, it's like a fidget toy timer. Sorry about the background, by the way. Okay, it's really pretty. Alright, next color is a very light purple. Doesn't look that light. That's okay. I have a dark purple over there because I really like purples. Purple colors. Like blue, dark purple, light purple. Yeah. Here's a dark purple. It looks like blue in that screen, but it's actually really blue, a dark purple. If you shake it, there's a little bit of blue acid because, well, no, it's not, but acid because I added purple and blue. Anyways. Is blue. There's tissue paper in this. Really satisfying. I really like it. By the way, if you don't have TikTok, here's the thing how to make this thing. So first thing is you need a bottle. Food coloring, tape. But if you don't have food coloring, then it's okay. You can leave it white. Sometimes I use tissue paper because it's more like a water timer, fidget squishy. But if you don't want tissue paper in here, then it's fine. And then put water. Okay, so first thing is next. Okay, so you need a water bottle, tape, and what do you call it? Tissue paper, or if you don't want tissue paper in there, then yeah. Okay. And then, so you grab the bottle, put some water in it, and then if you don't have food coloring, then it's okay, you can leave it white. But if you don't have any tissue, if you don't want to put tissue paper, then don't put it because, yeah, it's just if you don't want a water timer. Then shake it if you have, food coloring, so it can be faster. And then when you're done, put a cap, and then put some tape on it so it doesn't spill. And then if it's not already mixed with the food coloring, then keep mixing. But if it's full, then you're good. Let me show you all of it, all of them. be heavy. Heavy, heavy. There's a lot. Can't even see. So here they are. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Ta-da! I have a dark purple. Okay, so good. I have a dark purple right there. It's mixed with blue and purple. A lot of purple. And this is light purple, this purple, and this is red. Is that red? Yeah, okay. That's orange and red together. And yeah, that is green, light green. That is blue. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you have a great day. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos like this.